What does it take for an enterprise to grow beyond today, to continue growth and surpass expectations? It takes an innovative determination that inspires change in how they operate. Innovation is at the center of the technology industry. It unifies us and serves as a catalyst for growth. From delivering the first system to offering the latest in cloud, cognitive and mobile solutions. We empower our customers by implementing cutting-edge IT solutions from cloud to classroom, data center to network operations center, and everywhere in between. E-Square influences millions of people through technology every day. As one of the leading IT solution and services company, E-Square provides launchpad for businesses to grow smarter and faster with every step. We are E-Square. Let us introduce ourselves. Founded in 2000, E-Square System and Technologies Private Limited is a leading digital transformation, system integration and technology consulting company certified with CMMI along with ISO standards. E-Square is privileged to work in collaboration with the world's premier technology companies to present the perfect blends of products and services with robust partnership, tech pioneers and agility in the marketplace. Coupled with a wide range of IT services, we are committed towards empowering business transformations and customer satisfaction. We accelerate our clients' growth through technological expertise and experience. We create solutions for our valued clients by combining elite technical skills with personalized strategy to yield fast, high-quality results. We mostly serve governments and PSUs, large businesses and SMBs, and many more. We at E-Square go that extra mile for the clients to accelerate their digital transformation by enabling their cloud computing, data analytics modernization, AI, ML, mobility solutions, IoT, blockchain, system integration and security, and surveillance journeys to address their dynamic requirements. Our data analytics and insight solution includes data management, data visualization and reporting, and big data management and analytics. The cloud computing solution includes cloud infra management, cloud migration, and cloud security. The system integration solution includes data center management, infrastructure assessment and strategy consulting, network infrastructure management, and security and surveillance management. While the cybersecurity solution includes data privacy and protection, vulnerability management, infrastructure security, and cloud security. Headquartered in Bhubaneswar with a state-of-the-art technology center of excellence and pan-India presence, we are passionate about visualizing the future and being thought leaders to achieve a better tomorrow. Anticipate the customer needs, which leads to great satisfaction by exceeding the expectations by adding value with our regular quality improvement, productivity and timeliness. From the inception, with our creative solutions, innovative thinking, advanced technologies, customer-focused approach, integrated teamwork, influential leadership, unmatched customer service, best in quality, domain expertise, and our integrity and values. We have long-term strategic relations with today's most forward-looking technology leaders to harnessing the potential of technology. We produce a quantifiable transformation of our clients across countless industries and multiple geographies. We are proud to highlight some of the major awards, accolades, and industry recognitions we won over the past years, which demonstrate our commitment to excellence to our customers. E-Square, E-Square System and Technologies Private Limited.